Hello.
Hi.
Can you girls tell me why there's so many satellite dishes on your house?
I don't know. We don't even have cable TV. Yeah.
So, would you mind if I cut the cables to that satellite dish then?
I don't know. We'd have to ask our landlord.
Your landlord's a Nazi. He is. That's why I'm asking to cut the cables